Okay, how to find the year built of your water heater. So I happen to have 8 different types of water heaters in my yard today. So I'm going to do this video for you because I have really a unique opportunity right now. So just real quick, I'll go through all the different manufacturers I have in the yard, and then we'll look at each one and find the year built. So the very first one here is a Hot Point. The second one is a General Electric. Then we have an A.O. Smith, a Whirlpool. This is made by American Water Heater Company. You can find it right here, which A.O. Smith bought in 2006. We have a Bradford White. We have a Rheem, which is also Rudd. And then we have a Reliance. So let's just get to it of how to figure out the year built of each water heater. Okay, so the Hot Point says that the 3rd and 4th numerical value in their serial number is their year built. So each hot water tank is going to have an information label on it, and you need to find it. And on that information label, it's going to have its unique serial number to that water heater. It's also going to have the model number. But we're looking for the year built right now because everyone needs to know, everyone's curious at how old their hot water tank is, see how long it lasted before they have to replace it. So this one is the 3rd and 4th numerical value. So this is a 2000. It's 2023 right now, so this tank is 23 years old. GE, here's the information label right here. Here's their serial number up top. This one is the same thing, 3rd and 4th numerical value on the GE. So this was built in 2001, 22 years old. This one I actually did today. This particular A.O. Smith is 28 years old. They're really nice to us. In their serial number on their information label, they actually put March of 1995. And that really coincides. Whenever I see something like this, I always try to find something else on the tag that kind of confirms, like this 95. And then I see this ANSI standard right here. It meant the security specifications of 1991. So that's kind of double confirmation that this serial number is giving us good information here in 1995. So this one is 28 years old. Here's the Whirlpool. Find the serial number. We got 02 of 29. So this one is built in 2002, 21 years old. And I see someone put some duct tape on here and wrote 8/21/02, new install. So this is 21-year-old duct tape and writing right here. Pretty cool. American Water Heater Company. So 9th week of 2011. So for the American Water Heater Company, which is A.O. Smith, the very first 2 numerical numbers in their serial number is their year built. So this was built in 2011, 12 years old on this guy. Bradford White. So this is Bradford White. It wants to be a little bit difficult here, okay? So look at the information, look for the serial number, and here's what matters to you, this H and this E. So when you look, you got to use your phone, use your computer, and look up a Bradford White year built chart. On that chart, they're going to tell you H. This tank is either a 1991 or a 2011. E was for May. So 1991 or 2011, and then this is where that ANSI code comes in. So then you look at the ANSI code on its 2006. So a 1991 tank was not built to the specifications of a 2006 specification. So process elimination, 2011. It's a 12-year-old tank. Rheem. The oldest tanks to date that we have replaced. I replaced an electric Rheem in Puyallup, Washington, 54 years old. And then before I did that one, my oldest tank was a 45-year-old tank built in 1978, and it also was a Rheem electric. So the Rheem electrics, 2 Rheem electrics hold the highest year built for my company so far. 54 years old. That's pretty sweet. So here we go. This was 2002. It's the 3rd and 4th numerical value in the serial number, 2002. This one is 21 years old. Then the Reliance. I didn't look this one up. This is the first Reliance I've ever replaced. Sometimes you just get some odd ones. So we got an ANSI code of 98. So this one was the 41 week of year 2000. So look at the serial number one. So 41. So it's the first 2 numeric after the letter. It's the first 2 numerical values is the year built on this one, and the 3rd and 4th is the week of that year. So 41 week, the 41st week of year 2000. So this is 23 years old. So there you go. I think my goal was to be able to hit your hot water tank all in one video for whatever kind of hot water tank you have. If you have a state select, sorry.